In the heart of the dense, green forest, the brave tiger, Tim, lived. Tim was known for his courage, a courage as bright as the sun. One frosty night, Tim felt a pang of fear. A small, scared rabbit was trapped in a thicket. From his high branch, the kind owl, Olivia, watched. Olivia was known for her kindness, a kindness as warm as a summer day. Who might help the rabbit? Olivia thought. I will, she said, and flew down. Thank you, Olivia, said the rabbit, his eyes wide with gratitude. The next day, Tim overheard the villagers praise Olivia. She's kind and brave, they said. I want to be like her. Tim, feeling inspired, decided to be kind too. From that day forward, Tim and Olivia became the best of friends. Together, they taught the other animals about courage and kindness. And the forest became a better, friendlier place. As the sun set, Tim and Olivia curled up beneath the stars. Safe and secure, knowing they had made a difference. Good night, dear reader. May you find your own courage and kindness. Sleep tight and dream of friends like Tim and Olivia.